Anywhere me go, anywhere me go, oh, yeah. Anywhere me go. See that chain around me neck, you a 0 degrees, brother. Girl, all I tell me say me cooler than the breeze, brother. Can't keep one girl after she no secret. Love all girl, but props if she freaky.
I've been loving you.
I really don't want to go after.
I'm gonna eat off your food.
Famous did.
I smashed it. Yo, on the first.
You gonna miss me?
On the junk last
You
night.
gonna miss me?
On the junk last night.
What
on the junk
I was not drunk. I was. No.
So I slide on this. Of course, why wouldn't we miss you? What's wrong with you? Wanna sleep? Yo, tired, you know. Everybody have video watching.
So, Mell,
you left all the phone they done this, so.
Yeah, I know. This man will take it up. The next one then.
Mell is leaving right now, guys.
Watch, everybody have video too much.
Yo. Somewhere.
So, God.
God.
Alright.
I'll be back. Months time.
Months time.
Weeks time.
Weeks time.
Yeah.
See, next week. It's so long for now to you, my friend. I said so long to you, my friend. And goodbye for now until we meet again. I said goodbye so long to you, my friend. Until we meet again. I said so long.
Be careful to know that video to you, my friend.
Some of them right about now with there, you know what I mean? And it's another day, so you don't know, say it's another vlog. By the starting of the vlog, you see say Mell gone back and we are Mell forward, do our thing. We get whole heap of work done with the whole heap of stuff, whole heap of stuff, and she gone back in New York now. Soon forward back though. You know what I mean? I just want to say blessings and respect again to each and every one of you know. I soon smash the like button and I soon comment. You know what I mean? I'm really and truly appreciate it. I tell you every vlog, I mean not stop telling you every vlog. I really and truly appreciate it. You know what I mean? So blessings and respect for that. Make sure you know, leave a like, leave a comment. Do all of them good stuff there. So I want to do a challenge and do it and upload it separate from a vlog phone. I'll probably do that today. But otherwise from that, I'm not sure where they are. So just join the with me because you don't know me, I bring on with me. So yeah. Kinda find out what me I do today. We are gonna make some swimmers. Me I go just season it up. One bag of season. Me I show you what me I use though. Me I just dash it in the oven. I think Trabas I go do the rice. We probably do rice or with the potato. I'm gonna show you it. Yeah. So me about to forward to the kitchen right now. What I do is so beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, right now the type of swimmers what we are gonna make and not any type of swimmers, you know what I mean? And you are gonna need a special type of sauce for this. But I'm gonna show you how to make it. Hold on. This are the ingredients I'm gonna need to make this. I wanna have to follow the ingredients here. Right now I got taste this here. You know what I mean? Onion, and we are blending out them because we need to get it saucy and you know? Onion. Time. We don't need much time. You know what I mean? That was. Remember we now put one bag of things in it. Garlic, they mince already, but one them mincer. You know what I mean? Jerk sauce. You can put water in there because I want it. Blend out. Yeah, what me I missing? I don't tell you now what type of swimmers me make already. You know what I mean? yeah. Alright, so only if you not gonna smell it, see? Get a spoon. Yeah, the Hennessy smell beautiful tonight. I just have to use this and season with swimmer run. Alright, so right now, what me I gonna do is add my seasoning. Yeah, then I get everything. Everything just like that. That perfect. You know what I mean? Well seasoned. Trust me. This well seasoned. You see me blend up my seasoning and everything. Add in my Hennessy. You know, look upon this. What yo me telling you, it's a different type of sweats. This is going to oven right now.
Boba Day vlog. I want to know, this is a vlog in our same way. Mell and Candy is not here. As you know, say, Mell gone back. Mell, we're gonna miss you. We're gonna do it for the vlog same way. Candy, we just come off our phone with her actually. And we have a date planning. So I think I'm going to do a picnic. What do you think about that?
So lovely. Make some bread and some things and do road, no?
So stay tuned for that vlog. So we're going in the kitchen today to see what Bubba is cooking. So as I said to them already, we tell them say, yeah, chef up the fish, swimmers,
Correct.
and chef up the rice. Right?
Try.
Alright, so as you can see, in a pot in a oven already. I see my in a pot. What's the fish? I'm mad something. Bubba, looky there. I'm not eating no vegetable. I'm hungry right now. Don't watch a chip on the plate. That ain't nothing. That's nothing comparing to what about to happen right here.
Shut that bottle.
As you can see,
Dwayne Rock Johnson.
the gravy is pouring through the meat right there. I had to sprinkle that on the rice, you know. But looky there. I can take up the fish and just bite it long way, so you know. Yeah man, I can take up the fish and just bite it long way, so we're gonna mash up this. We're gonna try to set up a game segment for you real quick. But we will see what I go on for the game segment. You see? But again, this is jerk Hennessy fish with white rice. Just like that. I'll be back.
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them. You know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything. We have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in a